Icom 7610 RSBA1 version 2 software. Let's configure. We'll go to the configuration window, which is this one here. When you download this, you get two windows. One is this configuration window. The other one looks like the display that you can see on the right hand side here. First thing we'll do is click Setup Wizard. You'll note that I've already connected the 705 using the same software. Setup Wizard, we'll go to the setup for a local PC, directly connect the radio and PC. All I've done is connected a USB cable to my computer and to the printer port on the back of the 7610, not the blue one, the black one. Now we're going to just click Setup for a local PC. I haven't changed any settings in the 7610. We click Next and then the wizard starts to open. We're going to go Next again. It automatically detects my 7610. We'll go Next. I won't change anything to see what works from default, but you can see that the baud rate is 115200 and the address is 98. Next. Radio name, I'll leave that alone. Next. And finish. I could have changed the sound setting. So now we'll click it and click Connect. And straight away, as soon as I did that, I can hear the 7610, and you can as well, on my computer. And I haven't changed anything at the moment. I'm not going to do the audio settings in this. I just want to see it working. We'll just quickly go to settings and have a look though. You can see there that there could have been selections for speaker and mic, and I just left it as default. Now we will double click the second window that you get, which is basically the radio. So that's here at the bottom. Double click. Okay, now it says we can't open the COM port. So we just need to know what COM port was assigned. I'm pretty sure it was 16. So we can, let's have a look now. Click. Let's have a look at the set mode. I'll now just turn on, click Connect so the blue turns the radio off. Then I'll go to Connect Set and I'll put in 16. And I'll click OK. What else we got? It does say USB. At the top here, model 7610. Ooh, version 1.4 I've got. They've updated that already. Click OK. And then we'll just turn it back on and see if it comes to life. Right, we've got it working. So what we changed was, on the radio, we just went Menu, Set, Connectors, CIV. We just made sure that was on 115200. We didn't touch Unlink. CIV address, we did put in 90, tap that, 98H, and then we left it at auto on the baud rate. Within the settings, if I just disconnect by clicking connect on the main thing, connection set, I got a feeling I didn't select USB, so we've got USB because we're not using LAN or remote at the moment. Remote utility, I've selected the 7610, and I am using the newer firmware version of 1.40. I noticed there it says 7610 dual, so I will put it on that, see if that makes any difference, because maybe I'll get dual screen then. So I've got it on dual. I'm not sure if that will. The COM port we were told when we connected. There's your baud rate. There's your 98. I didn't touch the EO. So we click OK. It gives you that mod. We're disconnected, so we'll just turn it back on. Yeah, I think the screen did go wider. Like so. Yeah, it's this time it's not connecting as quick as it did. It looks like it's not even going to connect this time. But look, I think you do get a wider screen. So I'll keep playing. If I go back to where I was, so maybe when I set up the connection, I still want to show you where I was, so we'll just disconnect. Let's have a go now. We'll go connection set back to where I was, which is 1.40.7610. There it is there. USB. Click OK. See if it connects this time. Yeah, it connects this time. Then we'll turn it off again. Well, oh, we actually turned off the radio. It worked. Anyway, back to the settings. Connection set. I'm going to choose. I want to choose. I might have to redo it from the beginning to get the dual. But it shows that when you want dual and 1.40 version, you remember to select USB if you're using the cable to the radio like I am. Click OK. It says something about the microphone. I'll just click yes. Just click OK. Connected. Let's see if it will turn on. I can hear the radio trying to turn on. I can hear clicks. There you are. And I think we're now in dual mode. Let's turn up some volumes. Yep, you've got... This is cool. So I'm just hovering my mouse over to do the volumes. See that? Not sure if that's RF gain. Oh, there's your volume there for main and sub. Let's put it into dual screen. So where's the button? Dual watch. This is so good. Now turn up. Select a band that we can actually think. So I'm just clicking the band, going 7. What if I hold my finger on dual watch? Actually, I don't want dual. What I really want is tracking, isn't it? So where's the thing? Transmit. Just quickly check. Yeah, transmit's working. All the bands. Filter. Yeah, you can see the filters changing at the top as I scroll my middle mouse. Notch. Yeah. Let's try the frequency knob. Yeah, that's moving. If I double click, do I get step? Let's turn up. Like so. Different modes. You're clicking through the modes there. Same for the sub. All your preamp stuff, it's all working, it's great. So that's the thing I've learnt here, is if you want to have dual screen on the 7610, you select it differently. And you can see the bands go. On my radio it's gone quite green. It's probably because I've adjusted it here, haven't I? The RF gain, if I knock that back, yeah, you can see that the scope's better. Now what settings do we get on this spectrum? So you've got averaging, let's turn that on. Max hold. Set, can you change colours? Yeah? Let's just do a couple. Now does it only change it on the radio? Let's do an obvious one. Red. Oh no, it's actually changing it. That's good. It's actually changing it on this spectrum to another one. Nice obvious one, green. Click OK and look at that. And you've got more settings here. Hold, fixed edges. Now I remember from using this previously that you can set add channels to memory. And the thing that opened, the window that opens, is very similar to the software. And I haven't used the software for a couple of years. So I need to relearn that one. But MW is going to be saved, so look for MW somewhere, and then you'll know where to save the memories. I can't. Can you see MW? main and sub, M equals S. That's like flipping it back and forth. XFC, we know what that is. 1 kilohertz adjustment. Memo, there it is there. Memory, got split mode, quickly show you that. Memory right. I just held my finger on that. See if there's a memory in there, no. Should just, really. Ah, here it is at the bottom, memory right. Held it down, my finger. Memory right, memory clear. You got mute as well, by the way, which you have on the radio. RF power, let's get that right down. If I just push that on the radio and see if we can watch that go up and down, we can. Look at that. That's really good, isn't it? Can't see, what's this? Yeah, we can turn the scope on and off. Obviously, the remote side of things, you need to set up the IP address to my router to start playing around with the remote side, but that is turned on. I can turn that off or on and it still works. That's so, you know, people can connect outside of my house. Transmit tuner. Tuner, well, I'm clicking it. If I hold my finger on it, no, tuner on, and underneath, tune. There you go, it tuned. Antennas, 1 and 2. Not seeing that that's changing. Moni, break-in for CW, preamp. Don't normally need the preamp. Attenuator, IP+. NR, and what I think with some of these, you get, yeah, that's it, you right-click. You get another little thing there. You know, I've actually got the RC28, but I'm going to do that in a separate video, so I can plug that in to the computer or the radio and control with the VFO right here where my mouse is. Look, there's your mic, different connections. Set parameters there. Seeing what else I've got up here. CW Kia, cool. So you can, looks like you can pre-program some CW. Voice, you know, memory. So you can transmit voice memories. There's the channel we saved, and we can name that. We can go, you know, 40 meters. I'm not sure where it saves it, but it's there. Okay. So I think it's handy because the idea now is that if I now set up what we call a server, which I've not done yet, go here and you actually run a wizard for a server, then I can get a laptop anywhere in this house, use the IP address, which is, I know the IP address of this device because it's showing up on my network. I'll show you that. If we go, show my network, 192. That's my network. Now you can do a network search, use Angry IP or something like that to find it. Make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi as the radio network. Log in and you'll see that one of these is 106. For some reason it hasn't named it. Where is it? Let's see if I can find it. Ham Pie, I've been playing around with Ham Pie. I think it's 100. So if we go on the radio, let's have a look. Go menu. Just make sure you can see the radio. Yeah, the radio keeps coming and going. But anyway, radio settings. Right, see if we can do that before it times out. So we're going to menu, set, network. And there's your IP address there, look. It's on, it's giving it as 100, and you saw that on my thing that it's 100. So I think that's enough for now. Thanks for watching my channel. More to come. Fantastic radio, and of course this will all work with the Icom 7300, 705 and many other radios, and having great fun. But this 7610 screen is absolutely beautiful without the back, you know, without the external monitor, without the software. It's just beautiful anyway. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel 73. All the best.